Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. So pause that for me. Pause that. I gotta set up my songs, y'all, because y'all don't know who the fuck I am. Y'all just looking at me like, who is this little short motherfucker on stage?
Hello.
I go by the name of Him Downstairs, in case you don't know. And this next song is called Pre-Game. Now, if you haven't been broke, you know exactly what the fuck a pre-game is. You get drunk before you go to the club.
Don't spend no money.
Yeah, but please support your local bartender show. See, I can say that today because I got some money today. Oh, I shouldn't say that too loud because I'm in New York City. I might get robbed. Sorry. But I don't have no money. I'm just lying. I'm lying. But yeah, let's go ahead and set this joint up. Hey. Hey.
Hey.
We go pre-game. Yeah. 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 You know we gon' pre-game. Yeah. Yeah. At my house. Yeah. You know we gon' pre-game. Yeah. At my house. Hey. You know we got the red cups and blue cups, that loud stuff, no doubt. Got some ladies in route, got some ladies on my couch, and we all are going out, looking good, smelling great. We gon' drink at the club, but we just couldn't wait. And that pre-game, I got these ladies laughing, then they take me in the bathroom, and they looking for some action. And what happens at my house, stays at my house, where I could tell you some stories, but you know what they about. And if we don't make it out, I ain't even gonna be mad. Cause the good times, it's still gonna be had. Got that music on blast, in the pocket full of cash. No dick sand to the beach, I bring the beaches to the sand. Got the pre-game.
Hey, at my house. Yeah, you know we gon' pre-game. At my house.
Yeah, rock with it, rock with it.
You know we gon' pre-game.
Got some ladies in route, got some ladies on my couch. Can we pre-game? Hey,
At my house.
yeah, let's get. I got a house full of girls and all my guys. Sunshades covering our eyes. Everybody drunk, so we ain't gon' drive. It's parked outside. Doorbell rings, more girls arrive. Step aside and grab you a cup. What club we hit and we can't decide. Might as well hit all of them. Yeah, we about that life. Work on weekends, Friday night, like Bumpy said. I deserve to get gross. So with that being said, who got my lights? Spark it up, sip it slow. No need to rush, we got some more. More Ciroc, more Patron, more folks blowing up my phone, cause they know. My living room be jumping, we ain't left the house yet, but it already feel like clubbing. And my dudes already plotting on which door they gon' be cuffing. Can't resist the temptation like my name was David Ruffin. At the pre-game.
Oh, at my house.
Yeah.
You know we gon' pre-game.
At my house.
Hey, at my house.
You know we got the red cups, the blue cups, that loud stuff, no doubt. Got some ladies in rock, got some ladies on my couch, and we pre-game.
Oh, at my house. At
Give
my
up my
house.
man Chris T on the hook. He's not here tonight. Yeah. Go ahead and bring your friends to the pre-game. They can get
You know we gon' pre-game.
You know we gonna hit the club, baby.
You know we gon' pre-game. At my house.
So stop. You know we gon'
Pre-game. At my house.
yeah.
You know we gon' pre-game. At my house. You know we gon'
Red cups, the blue cups, that loud stuff, no doubt. Got some ladies in route, got some ladies
on my couch.
and we pre-game.
Hey, at my house.
You know we gon' pre-game, pre-game. Drink responsibly, y'all. Don't drink and drive. Drive and drink. Yeah. So we just gonna roll into this next show.
Yeah.
Y'all,